5 minutes, that's all this took. 5 minutes from this to this to have at-home DIY lash extensions that last up to 10 days if you really take care of them. This is the Lash Ease DIY Lash Kit by the brand Magnex Lashes, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Inside the package, you have a few things. We've got the lashes, of course. You've got them ranging from 10 to 16 millimeters. You can really customize and create whatever lash style or shape that you want. These ones that I've got here are the classic wispies. Do represent more of that classic lash extension look. Show you just how easy this is. You want to make sure that your lashes are clean with no product whatsoever in them. You're going to go ahead and curl your lashes with your favorite lash curler. Magnex do an amazing one, by the way. The reason you want to curl them is just so that they're sitting nice and upright, so that the lashes can be applied nice and easily, especially if you have down pointing or really straight lashes. The next thing you're going to do is take your dual-ended bottle, and you're going to take the bond side of it and apply this at the root of your lashes underneath. You don't want to apply this bond like a mascara fully. As you can see, I'm focusing this right at the base of my lashes. What I did on this eye was 4. I did 2 14s, 1 12, and 1 10, and that's all that I've got on this eye. When you're pulling these out of the packet, you want to be really, really gentle because they are very fragile. I am looking down, and then I'm going to take my finger and just press them onto that area of my eye. Lastly, as you stick them on, you can kind of take your tweezer and like press them down, but do keep in mind you're going to pinch everything together at the end. The other thing you can do if you don't have a bigger mirror is take a smaller mirror and just simply look down into it. You don't need to use your finger to lift up the eye. It's up to you just how you prefer to do it, but this is also a really good way. If you look down into a mirror, and because it's got the bond on it, it's already tacky, so it's going to grab straight away onto the lashes. Then what I like to do is go ahead with my tweezers, just pinch them together before we seal them. And once they're on and set and you've pinched them together and given them about 20 to 40 seconds just to really dry off, you're then gonna go in with your seal side. Or keep in mind this is clear, but this is also something that you don't want to apply like a mascara. If you take it right to the top of the lashes, you will find that you get a shinier effect on the lash. Looking down into my mirror, avoiding the top. If you do find that you accidentally get it into the top of the lashes, just take a spoolie if you've got a clean one and run it through so that it gets rid of any of that liquid. You really want to make sure that the seal is really adhering to those bottom parts of the lashes, and then also take my tweezers one more time and just pinch them together. You cannot tell me that they don't look like lash extensions. Look at this. Never know that I didn't go to a salon and that I did these myself at home in 5 minutes. Time for you to save your money and to get onto DIY lash extensions from the comfort of your own home.